Welcome. Today we'll explore how to create a strong statement of inquiry, SOI, for MYP unit planning. If you're a teacher aiming to guide students through inquiry-based learning, you're in the right place. An SOI is the foundation of MYP unit planning, combining the key concept, related concepts, and global context to guide learning. It connects ideas to real-world issues, acting as a learning roadmap. To create an SOI, focus on three key elements: key concept, the main idea driving the unit; related concepts, adding depth to the key concept; global context, a specific aspect linking learning to real-world issues. Follow these steps to formulate an SOI. Choose a key concept like change for a history unit. Select related concepts like causality and power. Identify a global context like fairness and development. Formulate the SOI. Changes in power structures during revolutions can reshape society and redefine fairness and justice. Here are SOI examples across different subjects. Science: interdependent systems in nature must maintain balance to ensure sustainability, considering human impacts. Math: logical reasoning and spatial awareness are key for creating models that solve technical problems. Language: creative use of literary structure allows personal expression through storytelling. Arts: aesthetic representation shapes public perception and can serve as a powerful form of social commentary. PE: effective teamwork and strategy foster collaboration in sports and life relationships. Avoid these common pitfalls. Too broad. Be specific. For example, power changes things is too vague, disconnected. Ensure all elements link together. Lack of relevance. Keep the SOI relevant to both the subject and students' experiences. To create a strong statement of inquiry, collaborate with colleagues. Engage students in the process. Align assessments with the SOI to measure understanding. Writing an SOI is iterative. Keep refining it until it's clear and focused, ensuring all elements connect and support each other. Example for industrialization in the 19th century. Key concept: change-related concepts; innovation, economic systems, global context; scientific and technical innovation statement of inquiry. Technological innovations during industrialization changed economic systems, reshaping society. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you understand how to formulate a strong statement of inquiry for MYP unit planning. For a more detailed and advanced session, you can watch the video I will provide in the description. Feel free to leave questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.